Whoa, welcome back to Aptech Online. Today we are going to look at how you design dashboards. So we always look at the clarity and the impact you create. So the essence of creating dashboards that make a difference. In this world, data is the king. The power of a well-crafted dashboard cannot be underestimated. So it is always what you craft, what you design that brings the audience to pick out an importance to why that dashboard was created. So the users is the king. So here we have 5 principles we are going to consider. The first one is defining the purpose, and that is the main objective of designing a dashboard. Are you tracking sales, or you're monitoring a project progress? Are you analyzing customers' behavior? So you have to set a clear purpose that will ensure that your dashboard stays on track. Then we have the second, where we choose the right metrics. So remember, it's not about showcasing every metric under the sun. It's about spotlighting the metrics that matter most. Select metrics that align with your objective and provide actionable insights. So make sure that you craft all the metrics you present to your audience. It is not about bringing up charts, pie charts, and you make sure that at least you touch everything. No, it's about what you're showcasing. Then another thing, the third one is presenting the data effectively. So complex data can be doubting, but effective visualization turns complexity into clarity. So even though your data is complex in analyzing, but the moment you learn the audience and you craft it well in those visuals. So choose the right chart types and formats that resonate with your audience. So not high level, low level, operational, different audience. So you have to make sure you craft it well. So remember, the simplicity is the ultimate sophistications. So when you're presenting, your audience determine how you're going to design your dashboard and how you're going to present that data effectively. So there is an audience that will need numbers summarized. There is an audience that will need more of the pictorial. There is an audience that will need for you to take clarity of the colors you use. Then we have another one where you have to make sure you look at eliminating clutter and noise. So they say always less is more. Don't overwhelm your audience with unnecessary data points and excessive decorations. Clear out all the noise to allow the key insights to shine through. Make sure that you balance your white space in your dashboard. Make sure that you use the right colors. Don't use colors that are going to shy away the audience. Then also don't make it more decorative. Don't bring in the 3D charts, the 3D designs, a lot of buttons, a lot of filters. It doesn't make sense. So still it also aligns with the audience. So eliminate clutter and noise. Then the fifth one is going to be you have to make sure that you use your layout and it should focus the attention. Now we also know that always on the left top is always, it picks more attention than on the right bottom. So you have to make sure that the insights, the visuals you need, or which are priority or which are more important than the other metrics, always are put on the top and on the right. Then you go on diminishing them according to their priority, going downwards and on the right. So that is it, guys. Make sure that if you find this helpful, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and this will always be the same videos we shall always bring to you. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Meet you next video.